Can I get some more of these? Holy balls, I gotta get my life together. All right, fitness. Here we go, push-ups. Oh, okay. Oh, almost, okay. I taught you in the army, you can do it. Oh, okay. Oh, almost there. Oh, okay, that's pretty good. This is a lot harder than I thought, buddy. Yes. Oh, burning calories. There we go. I can feel the weakness leaving my body. You want me to run?
Can you?
Oh, I am light. I am skinny. Okay, all right. Quarter mile. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, childhood. Oh, keep it down. I'm trying to lose weight over here. Oh, that was easy. Oh, yeah, we're doing good. Hey, Laura, would you check me out? Nice. Get these when you're a winner, like me, not a loser or a chump. Winner! Boom! Hi, welcome to another episode of Atkins in the Kitchen with Kent Altena. Today we're going to be doing scrambled eggs because some people seem to like eggs. Okay, first you're going to want to get your ingredients out. We're going to go with eggs, pan, and greasing spray. Just because you don't want to use oil, just because... Rhett, shut up! Okay, you're going to want to use oil just because that'll help you bring down your fattiness in your diet. All right, let's get started. First, you're just gonna crack the egg just like normal. I do it on the side of the pan. We're not fancy here, so turn on your oven. Get going about medium temp. Grab out your spatula. Usually you would have this done beforehand and you just wait. So I might have forgot to spritz the pan oil, but you can just spray it on top and it'll kind of just like mix on in there, and we're just scrambling the egg anyway. It'll form together and you won't have any problems cleaning that one later. So as you can see, as it's getting a little bit whiter, you can see it's becoming more of a solid. You're gonna want to, Tasha, back up. You're gonna want to season it. Put a little pepper in there, just pepper to taste, and then you're just gonna want to mix that in and really cut it up. But once you can see that it's all solid, you are good to go, and there you have it. Well, there you have it, guys. Eggs low carb style. I'm personally not a fan of them, but maybe Matt is. There you have it. Have a nice day.
I know for a fact tigers eat watermelon. I saw it in a documentary, okay? At least within the past 2 years.
Dad, I have a question with
Holy
something.
balls! Keep it down, okay? Can you see I'm busy?
Oh, sorry.
Casey, come here. Oh, I love you so much. I love you more than my children. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Now that they finally moved out of the house, I have you all to myself. Are you ready to lose, little one? The pain train's coming today. Woo woo! Holy balls! You can't collect any money yet because you don't have the harbor. Are you dumb? Obviously, you're going to get the flower orchard. Easy choice. Dumb if you don't get it. Holy balls! Look at there! Making money! Woo! Suck it! Suck it! Woo!
Dad, are we almost there yet? We've been driving forever.
That's enough. Quiet game. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, banana. Yes, I'm at 5 now. Better catch up, Dad.
Banana! Okay. Woo!
Jeez, Dad.
Winning!
You almost killed us.
Easily worth it. 13th in September. That's in the clouds. Never had a cloudy day.
Did you see that? Did you see how much I just did? Yeah. I can feel my biceps getting even bigger as we speak. Ooh. Oh, you're going to do 5 more? Well, it looks like I'm doing 10. I could do this all day. You know, you better get that gas away from me because I'm on fire today, baby! Woo! I'm fine. Would you hold on? I'm working on my workout post. I have to post it to Instagram, then to Facebook, then to MySpace. I have to do a TikTok. I have to do all of this, otherwise how else will people know about the gains I got today? Holy balls. Holy balls. Holy balls.
Holy balls.
Holy balls.
Holy balls.
Holy balls. Hello. Holy balls. Holy balls.
Holy balls.
Holy balls, Brett. Holy balls.
Holy balls.
Holy balls. Holy balls. Holy balls.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. Love you.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
We love you, Dad. Hope you have a great day.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Say hi to Grandpa.
Love you. Happy Father's Day from us and